Section number 2, Basic Concepts of Radiation in Space. Lecture number 8, Earth's Magnetic Field. Learning objectives of lecture number 8. Learner should able to understand Earth's magnetic field. Learner should able to understand difference between magnetic pole and geographic pole. Earth's magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field, also known as the geomagnetic field, is the magnetic field that extends from Earth's interior out into the space, where it interacts with the solar wind, a stream of charged particle emanating from the sun. Basically, the high amount of mineral particles and metals has been compressed at the interior of the core of Earth. Because of that, the magnetic field has been radiated out into the space, and therefore there is a north and south poles are existing in the magnetic field. Magnetic poles and geographic poles. Basically, when at the center of the Earth, when we draw this green line at the center of Earth, when we draw exactly a line which is passing through the center, that is called as the geographic north pole and geographic south pole. According to the geography of Earth, exactly at the center which is passing through the north and south pole, this is called as the geographic poles. But due to the interior core, a magnetic field has going to be generated, has been some deviated from the geographic north and south pole. It is not exactly at a geographic north and geographic south pole. It is deviated from these poles at an angle of 11.5 degree. At an angle of 11.5 degree, when we put a needle freely revolving, that time it is facing towards the north pole and towards the south pole, and that these poles are the magnetic poles. Basically, by geographically, these poles, north and south poles, are different, but when we put a needle, its direction is somewhat different, or its direction is somewhat deviated from geographic north pole and geographic south pole. And this deviated line, once we draw a dotted line here, it comes as north magnetic pole and south magnetic pole. Where the magnetic needle is facing, that time the north and south pole is occurring. Basically, there is a difference between the angle of 11.5 degree between the north pole, magnetic pole, and the geographic north pole. This diagram has been showing that the flux of magnetic flux has been occurring around the Earth. The geographic magnetic pole, or the geomagnetic poles, we can say, it is also called as the dipole, are the intersection of the Earth's surface and the axis of a bar magnet, hypothetically placed at the center of the Earth, by which we approximate the geomagnetic field. On the other hand, the magnetic poles are the points at which magnetic needles become vertical. When we put a needle in this free space, the needle is facing the magnetic poles, but this magnetic poles somewhat different compared to the geomagnetic or the geographic poles. The geographic north pole and the magnetic north poles are located around 310 miles apart. This is approximate distance that is gauged, or that is measured, the distance between the geographic north pole and the magnetic north pole. The difference is referred to as a magnetic inclination. This magnetic inclination, basically approximate angle is 11.5 degree. To establish the right direction, navigator compensate for the magnetic inclination through the use of chart of declination, and is also known as local calibration.